Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was probably one of the really nice sweet spot trading volatility moments that we've seen in the last couple of months. I mean, May was a big month, but you can really see the tone of this market as we head into the summer. It's going to be volatile. It's going to move. There's going to be a lot of different kinds of news that are going to stay, in the unknown, and the market is going to have to deal with that. So we pushed all the way down yesterday, as deep as 27, 28, 75. We were in some really good looking shorts down there. We did a couple of longs. Our risk marker into the overnight was 27.44. So we were long against that. We were long 45 through the close. They came back and they tested that for us. Call it, 6, 7, 8, 10 o'clock at night at some point, 11 o'clock at night. It allowed us to completely reload, and now they've ramped it another, not quite 30 handles. Our current high is 71. So we started off June with a bang with a 52 handle day, and we're up 12 on what we've already locked in on this trade. So Princeton Trader is just going to keep doing their thing. And if you do this all the time, got to come see us. Got to come see us and check it out, because it's a great group of people, and it's a fun place to sit here and do this stuff. If you do it all day, I think you should give it a look. The weekly pivot is open at 27.81 quarter. If they get enough of a lift off the open, I think that's the natural destination of where we're headed. What happens up there, and I mentioned this yesterday, is going to be huge. So we talked about how early in the week you typically expect to get some kind of involvement with the weekly pivot. If you didn't see yesterday's webcast, check it out on the YouTube channel or on IGTV or anywhere. We talked about yesterday we talked about how early last week that weekly pivot had been resistance. Well, this week's weekly pivot is going to get the chance to do the same thing. The bulls are going to have to convert this area. If they can do that, then they can head back up to the roundy. You got the 200-day exponential moving average sitting at 27.95, and it probably needs a look, but it's all going to depend on this. So as we head into 81, if we head into 81 today, it's going to be a very big moment. So the goal of the bulls would be to turn 81 into support for a move to 2,800. The goal of the bears is to stop it right there. Now, it may take a day or two. It took a day or two last week here, Monday, Tuesday. Monday was a holiday, but still, it took a couple of sessions, maybe only one, but they got to hold serve. You can see them, making higher highs, trying to break it up. They got to hold it here and then try, as they get into the later part of the week, to hold it and bring it back down. So that's what today is all about. All right, take care. Trade them well. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. Like I said, come check us out. We'd love to meet you. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.